welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Marcia, and Marcia addresses the skit that was done by Mifsky. So, guys, go catch the video to hear what she has to say about this. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovely supporters and friends, my family, my subscribers, or whoever you want to call me, have yourselves a beautiful, super day. And now, go ahead and catch the video, guys, and just go ahead and think about everything that is said and have yourselves a peaceful day. Love you all.
With them foolishness, them have to do that because them don't have no status in America yet. So them have to write up their headline and them have to go on. Nobody not jealous of nobody out here. Nobody no business with nobody out here. No competition out here. Marcia is one of the best entertainer out here. Me never flop yet. And I want it with me. Nobody can accuse me of nothing. So, be the one hear nothing. Anything where the woman at Portland over there going with, make she go on. The woman didn't have no contents. Me there with my man in the bed, hugging up, loving and caressing. That's right. That's what I'm doing. I don't have the time of foolishness. So, me as I let you know, say, make them go and talk. While them dey on social media chat, and them not have no talent, and them not have no contents, if you dig up all contents and a go on and a go on and a go on. Listen, that hour. That come like a skit too, no? Eh? That look like a whole witch in a Red Riding Hood. That them there's something nothing put on social media. Them there's something they are foolishness. Yeah, that look like a whole witch from the Red Riding Hood. Them there's something no cut, no dash. So when them a put up the headline and a go on and a go on and a go on, tell the bitch them say, me and my man na bed make love, and them not have no fucking man to make love to. You understand? Them not have nobody to pick up. They not have nobody to love and kiss and caress, while me have man to love and kiss and caress me. And they right, that's all right now. I kiss and caress me. So what is the problem? So it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. While they're on social media worrying about me, tell them to me in my bed with my man, kiss and caressing. And them not have nobody to rub them back, nobody to rub them big old tough foot, and nobody. Tell them say that ain't no talent. That ain't no skit, that no talent. Nobody can drop no word for me nor nobody. Because we not see her, me not see her in a business with her. If we feel like drop a word for social media, we're going to drop a word. That won't mean nothing. So let's listen to me. Me going back to watch me Olympic and to get some good loving. Baby, come. You give yourself too much trouble. Huh? You give yourself too much trouble, man. Back up. Stop. You give yourself too much trouble. Yeah, so tell them that's what I'm doing. We here kissing and caressing. Babe, stop, man. Stop. Behave yourself. Behave. Why you yourself too much trouble? Behave. So tell them so while them still on social media, them should be getting so sweet. So they should be getting so sweet. Be relax about it. They should be getting so sweet. They should be getting so sweet. They're not getting nothing. They're toasty. You understand? They're toasty. They ain't getting nothing. No kissing, no caressing, nothing. You don't see your body? You know your body now? You know you behave yourself. Be talking on the phone. You understand? So tell them that. Babe, stop. Oh. Yeah. You understand? So tell them. So what is it? I am here with me and a man buckled up in a bed, watching the Olympic and having ourselves a good time. You know, supporter, who no really and truly can call me now. You know, so me think emergency, make me run, go downstairs, go take up my phone. If me did know, say, though, if good be supporter, be do say be do ya what a big supporter, you know. If me didn't know say, you know, so me think say a CJ or a Romy them a call for show me. Because I make sure say, you know, me don't want no interruption in the bedroom, you know. So me make sure say me left the phone downstairs and my phone I ring off of the hook ring off. Behold, no sound, I can't do them something there. Babe. Go and be yourself. Yeah? Yeah. Me think say I thought it's somebody calling me emergency. When I feel do there something there. I swear was it I make me run, make me broke me love making, you know. If you go downstairs, I got to take a phone, you know. When I can't do that. Me I say what I want. Then I hold the phone. I hold the phone. Babe. What is the problem? You belly the full. You belly the full. Huh? Where you get my energy from? Me don't know where you get my energy from because I come from work. Yeah? You hear them say if you like it, then they put a ring on it. You don't know that? Huh? Wait song say? Huh? Don't say song say. If you like it, they put a ring on it. Huh? Then what is the problem? Huh? Yeah, wait song say? If you like it, then they put a ring on it. So you don't expect if you get love making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back up, man. Back up. Uh-huh. Back up. If you like it, they put your ring on it. Move fire. So listen to me, people. I'm going back to the bed. I'm going back to watch the Olympic. I should go down so you can turn off the TV. It's kind of low annoying. This one is how them a jump up so we then win. The other country. This one here. No, because it's kind of little this one is it's guys. So I can put this one up on. This would be a surprise for those that follow the gymnastics. Make this one I can't even broadcast because this is something here. I have to put this up on pause. This one here. And then you have to hear the one downstairs. You just a reach? Listen to me, supporter. Me know say it's frustrating. Me say God work on his own time, you know. So Marcia work on my own time. If you don't feel like going on over there, you see, there's a lot of hate. There's a lot of hate on social media. And you must realize that you're dealing with an obsession. The woman is obsessed with Marcia Campbell. That is the only time she can get 500 and 600 people on her page. The woman have no man, her pussy done. The people over there don't have no man. So they're miserable, they're whole thirsty. They don't have nobody. So them very unhappy. So what you expect? What you expect? You don't expect them for jealous. They expect them for jealous. So while them sitting here, babe, me cool. Come, push up a little bit more. Come, me cool. Come warm me up, yeah. While them they on Facebook a chat me. Tell us that me and man, we in a bed and we don't eat, we bed and we there watching Olympic. So tell them say who have joy and happiness now. While them sit down on social media talking about me, the famous ever bless. And don't talk about the stupid skits where Miss Red how we call it? Why Rich of Riding Hood. The stupidity. Tell herself to go up on YouTube, go spend her money and sit and go learn content creating. Cause that ain't no content creating. Tell her she ain't no blogger. And she ain't no content creator. Go stick to her teeth in charity. And if she can't make it America, go on back a bumbo clock Jamaica. Because when she over there make skit and I put headline about 40 years and dress up in a glass and wig, me know say me she attack. Me not even look upon her because she no content creator because she shouldn't drop off a shape. Me not ask you. You see, she not die Jamaica no more if she sit down and collect money. So don't she have to work hard and cope with that kind of skit. It's not going to work. It not work. So you could have come with skits, you could have dressed up in a wig, you could have dressed up in a glasses, you could have dropped out nobody no jealous of you. It not work. You ain't no fucking actor. You don't have the personality for it. That is Marcia thing. You ain't no actor, you look stupid. You look like a red riding witch. We all know say me and Tina China the people here drop one and nobody no jealous of you. We don't give a fuck if you want in America or not. America is for everybody who have a visa to come here. Let the survival begin. Let's see how long you can come here about somebody just nobody no just say you know have 10 million. I don't even think you reach a million yet. You know reach 6 million. Nobody no jealous of you. We don't give a fuck about your supporters. Your supporters them don't make one. The people them are wise up. So let me make it clear. So when you dress up over there, you Dana me I talk to. I'm letting you know you look like a big, ugly, blood clot, retarded Riding Hood. Red Riding Hood. You know fit you. You're not ready for somebody who is an ambassador for Birdie Bun. For somebody who claims to them have businesses. You're surely looking fucking desperate. Be a Boland, I'm sorry, but me address this. You're surely looking desperate for your fucking contents. For somebody who said them a million here at Jamaica, you're surely making a damn fucking fool out of yourself. For somebody who claim that them get doctorate, false doctorate paper where you can't even spell fucking doctorate. You're looking fucking stupid, bitch. So when you dress up these are the fuckery, and that's for sure you this morning you wake up. Me wake up this morning if you go piss. And when me look on my phone, if you look on the time, you me see up at 5:30 in the morning. And you go to bed late. And you're there on YouTube 24/7. That means you can't sleep. You're restless. You don't have no fucking talent. You want talent? You want to act? Come make Marcia teach you. I mean, not teach you one fuck. That's number one. So when you're over there and I drop your word, me know say me I drop your word pan. And that is 40 fucking years that you will never catch. As long as God blow breath in you. You not live 40 years in America. Me not ask you. You will not live to spend my time that I live here. And bitch, it's not 40, it's 41. 41 are going to 42. Check it. So add on the extra one pan it. You will never reach 40 years in America. Me not ask you. The way you're big, fat, and blood clot sour, you soon catch fucking diabetes. So you will know. Because you see a nyam down the place already. So you can't come on social media come talk about you putting a skit for me. You look stupid for somebody who claim they are ambassador. You like a game and you like a play game where you play Jamaica coming out. The same fucking thing where you use for the people and at Jamaica you come up and go on like you're a Christian. You start but the fuckery coming out. We all know you can't keep it up. Boy, you're coming out here, call out name about your doctor this and doctor that, and ambassador this and anti that. You ain't fucking nothing. We all know you ain't gonna keep it up. You can't play with God and get away with it. This morning you wake up about let's go pray. Pray what? You acting like a fucking fool, bitch. You coming on social media about you dress up in a towel and something bread for somebody who represent company. Eh? For somebody who claim that them waste them fucking time and put on gown for you and go walk stage. That's why I not blame the Jamaican government. For not acknowledge your fucking big sour self. We thought that you're gonna come up here and try to change. And get some senses in your head. The time you did your talk and go take one fucking GD class and learn to pronounce word. Me know me mispronounce sometimes, but you're representing companies. And you can't even pronounce word properly for somebody who claims to them a fucking doctorate. What about that? Everybody knows me talk. Everybody knows me I try to run skit pan. You can't even pronounce word, but you're representing company. Time you did sit on your big sour blood clot self for Florida, wherever it is. Go take one GD class, bitch. Go learn to bake. And go learn to speak properly in this country. Because what you're working for endorsement in this country, but you ain't gonna get it. You're only gonna get bread and butter and bun for advertise. You ain't reaching a McDonald's and you're not reaching a them spot there. You're going to be sitting there on Facebook until you fucking fade away. And I'm going to sit right here and watch you. You're bright and out of order. Take that and go run with that Ross. Nobody don't cater if you want to come here or not. Because we all know that you're lonely here. And nobody not cater for your hands and foot. Like when you da Jamaica and call up everybody if you come carry a dirty drawers come give you or carry water come give you. You're pitting them now do it. So we all know so you soon get the pressure and go board that blood clot plane. Go look a real job, bitch, and go pay your taxes. Go and look a real job. YouTube is not a job. If you don't do so well at Jamaica, what the fuck you take a green card and come here for? Me know enough people at work. My cousin them have them big job at Jamaica. And their mother filed for them and they didn't take the green card. Them have them big education and them big job and them never take it. Them stay down at Jamaica said we and everybody. So if you did so rich and if me did so rich and I behave like you have everything I had, me never take the green card because America tough. Because when you come America, you have to start all over again. You got to start all. If me, I go on like say me so rich and me so whatever it is, I wouldn't take no fucking green card. And come here, come sit down off in a boring house. When me there Jamaica, me can go up and down all over the place. Are you crazy? Me never take it. That means so you don't have no fucking money. You're broke. And you're behaving like a broke bitch. Because look at the way you're behaving. Coming on social media. I do skit off of me and other people. And both people jealous of you. What is it that you're doing? Go learn to create content. You go learn to create content. Go and go look something to do. Go take one nursing class. If you want money. And that you figure do. So you can learn to chat because you cannot speak properly. You're bright and out of that. Boy, you come. Everybody can see say you're a troublemaker now. You're going too far. From the day your admin them I set you up to do all kind of things. Everybody can say you're a troublemaker. You ain't gonna get too far up here, bitch. Not with that attitude. Miss Lawton, if you listen to me, talk to your friend. Because she's going down the wrong path. I mean, no later down, she soon begs with you. I in a competition with you if you open a local restaurant too. Me not ask you. She's acting. That is the way for somebody to act. And I represent company, but brand ambassador. Move your big fat sour self, but brand ambassador. And doctorate. The people who give it doctorate is like a fucking puppy show. Miss Kitty and them people forget doctorate and Lisa Anna and people with higher caliber education forget doctorate. People who have meaning. Doctorate for what? Doctorate for set on people on social media and come on social media and act stupid. Nobody don't give a fuck if you want to come to America or not. We not beg you nothing. Me not beg you nothing. You never live to see me beg you nothing. I mean, I want no fucking friend from you. Because I know set to come, you have to come apologize to me. You have to come take back a whole heap of things where you say, me not ask you. Because God is going to convict you. Before you come up here and try to make a difference and you see how the country is. You come up here and go on like you all that. And you come up here, you wear the same fucking cheap clothes that me so wear when me wear from Burlington. You have the same, you go buy the same fucking cheap pillow them in my couch, the same thing. You go buy the same fucking look up his cheap clock what me have in my storage them myself. Is it